everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I am going to make hot and sour chicken vegetable soup, and we will also learn in this video how to make perfectly boiled eggs. And we will also learn that how to make this cute duckling with boiled egg. So the video is very interesting, informative and useful. You will learn a lot if you will stay with us till end. So let's get started today's video without wasting time. Here I have taken half kg chicken with bones. Now we will take a pan and we will pour 1 tablespoon of oil to fry the chicken in it. We will take just 1 tablespoon of oil and grease the pan like this. Now we will fry the chicken in this 1 tablespoon of oil. We will not take too much oil. In just 1 tablespoon of oil we will fry the chicken in it. This step is very important. By frying the chicken in little oil, the odor of chicken will be removed. Fry the chicken until the color is changed. Now the color of chicken is changed. We will pour some water in it. I have filled the pot with water and add some salt in it according to your taste. And now we will leave the chicken for boiling. In the meanwhile, we will cut all the vegetables. For cutting the vegetables, I am using this small cutter, which is very useful kitchen gadget. The vegetables that I am using are carrots, capsicum and cabbage. First blade of this cutter is for peeling the vegetables. You can easily peel the vegetables in very short time. This cutter has 5 blades, and now we will see the function of second blade. With the second blade, you can easily chop the vegetables in equal size. As I am chopping the carrots, you can chop any vegetable with this cutter like potatoes, radish, while making salads or any other dishes. This small cutter has made the work easier. If you don't have this cutter, then you can buy it from market. From which country you are watching my channel, let me know in the comment section. I would be pleased to know this. Here I have chopped all the carrots. Similarly, you can chop the cabbage with this cutter very fast. I have cut all the vegetables, cabbage, carrots and capsicum, and now here chicken broth is ready. While boiling the chicken, must remove such type of foam from chicken broth. And at this point, add some black pepper in it according to your taste. We have cut all the vegetables, carrots, capsicum and cabbage, and here I have taken some green onion. Green onion will make this soup super delicious. So I have cut some green onions. Now the chicken is boiled. We will take out the chicken and shred it. After taking out the chicken from the broth, we will add carrots and cabbage in this broth. And leave the vegetables for boiling. In the meanwhile, we will shred the chicken with the help of fork because it's too hot and it's difficult to shred it with hand. And this is done now. We will add this shredded chicken in the soup. When the carrots and cabbage, both vegetables are boiled, then in the last we will add capsicum in it. We will not add capsicum in the start because if you will add capsicum with carrots and cabbage, the color of capsicum will be spoiled. And here I have taken 2 eggs. You can use 2 or 3 eggs, break the eggs and mix them. Now the eggs are ready to pour in the soup. Keep it aside, and here I have taken another bowl. We will take some corn flour in it. I have taken about 1 cup of corn flour and dissolve it in water to make a fine liquid. There should not be any lump in this liquid. Now the corn flour solution is ready to pour in the soup. At this point, we will add some sauces in it. 2 tablespoons of soya sauce, 2 tablespoons of vinegar and 2 tablespoons of chili sauce in it. These sauces are very crucial because these sauces will enhance the flavor of this chicken and vegetable soup. After that, we will add eggs in it gradually and continuously stir the spoon in it. And then add the mixture of corn flour in it and continuously stir the spoon in it. By adding the mixture of corn flour in it, it will get thick immediately. And in the last, we will add green onions in it. Now stir it. And now the hot and sour chicken and vegetable soup is ready, which is nutritious and delicious. Must try the recipe and let me know in the comment section that how was it. Let's move forward to the other part of the video, which is how to make perfectly boiled eggs. Let's start. Take some water in a pan and then add 1 tablespoon of salt in it. It's very important step. If you will add salt in the water while boiling eggs, then it will be easy to peel the eggs after boiling. When the water starts boiling, then pour the eggs in water with the help of fryer carefully and slowly so the eggs will not break. Have you noticed that I have poured the eggs in hot water? I didn't pour the eggs in cold water. Then add few drops of white vinegar in it. By adding white vinegar for boiling eggs, the eggs will not break. And if any egg was broken, the egg white or egg yolk will not come out. For half-boiled eggs, take out the eggs after 7 minutes. And if you want to eat full-boiled eggs, then take out them after 10 minutes. And after taking out from boiling water, put them in cold water immediately so the cooking process will stop. And now let's see the secret tip for peeling the eggs perfectly. I'm using the spoon for peeling the eggs. Tap the spoon at the bottom of the egg. Remove the small piece of shell from a side. And then we will insert a spoon inside the shell like this. Insert the spoon in the shell slowly and rotate it gradually. And you will see the magic. The egg would be separate from the shell in a minute. This is the easiest method to peel the eggs perfectly. Look at this. Wow, the eggshell is removed immediately in a minute. Hence you can find the smooth eggs. Similarly, we will peel all the eggs with the help of spoon. Tap the spoon at the bottom of the egg, remove the small shell from a side, and then we will insert the spoon inside the shell. Like this. We will insert the spoon inside the shell slowly and then rotate it gradually like this. And you will see the eggshell would be removed immediately in a minute. If you are enjoying the video, then please give it a thumbs up and also share it with your friends and family members. And also let me know your good name and from which country you are watching my channel so that I can send you the special greetings in my next video. By using this spoon hack, you can easily peel many eggs in very short time. Sometimes when we are in hurry and we don't have enough time, then you can try this time-saving hack for peeling the eggs. So you can see here I have peeled off all the eggs very smoothly. After peeling the eggs, you can cut them with egg cutter. And now we will learn how to make cute duckling from boiled egg and carrot. So I am using here carrot to make the feet of duckling and its beak. Cut the small pieces of carrots and now I am going to make its crown first. Cut the carrot in zigzag shape like this as I am cutting. So the crown is ready and now we will make its feet. It's super easy to make the cute duckling from the boiled egg and carrot. So I have cut the pieces in zigzag shape and made its feet and crown, and now I'm going to make its beak. So I have made the beak. Now it's done. Look at this. And now make a cut in the center of the egg like this and insert the crown in it. For making its eyes, I am using the cloves. So insert the 2 cloves in the egg like this. And then make a small cut and then insert the beak in it. And now we will cut the egg from the bottom like this so that it can stand easily. And now we will place it in a plate of eggs. First we will put its feet and now place the egg over it and set all the pieces of boiled eggs. And now our boiled egg platter is ready. And look at this. It's looking very beautiful and attractive. Here I request you, if you like my video, then please give it a thumbs up and also share it with your friends and family members. Now we will take out super delicious hot and sour chicken and vegetable soup and we will serve it with boiled eggs. So the dish is ready. Alright viewers, thanks for watching. Subscribe for more videos. See you again in the next video with more wonderful recipes.